continued in the coastal town of Bhatkal on Sunday night over the controversial Murin Katte structure near National Highway 66, even after reconstruction work was carried out under heavy police protection. According to sources, a group of youths gathered near the disputed site in the evening and allegedly attempted to demolish the structure, creating a tense atmosphere in the area. Senior police officers, including Uttara Kannada Superintendent of Police M.N. Deepan, rushed to the spot and held talks with local leaders and residents to prevent the situation from escalating. Police officials assured protesters that the current situation would be maintained at the site until Monday morning. They also informed them that the Deputy Commissioner would arrive from Karwar to hold discussions with stakeholders before any further decision was taken. The situation turned more sensitive after senior BJP leader and former Uttara Kannada BJP President Govinda Naik made controversial remarks in the presence of former Bhatkal MLA Sunil Naik. He blamed the local Muslim organization Majlis-e-Islah-o Tanzim for the unrest and alleged that the organization was supporting Muslim youths involved in the protests. He warned that 1993-like situations could return if the issue was not controlled, referring to the communal riots that took place in Bhatkal in 1993, which led to deaths, destruction of property, and deep communal divisions. He stated that they had been fighting since 1993 and would continue to fight, adding that whoever stands against our religion, whether the government or Muslims, will be given a proper answer. The remarks triggered criticism and concern due to the communal sensitivity of the region. Tension continued past midnight after BJP activists allegedly attempted to enter the disputed site and got into verbal arguments with police personnel. Senior officers including SP MN Deepan and Udupi SP Hariram Shankar intervened and brought the situation under control. Police later detained several BJP activists including Govinda Naik. The controversy began after the reconstruction of a Hindu religious platform locally known as Murin Katte at Jagati Katte in Bhatkal. The structure had earlier been removed during National Highway widening work and was recently rebuilt on land controlled by National Highway authorities. Members of a minority community reportedly objected to the reconstruction and demanded that the structure to be removed. Police said some people later gathered at the site and allegedly attempted to demolish the reconstructed platform, during which police personnel deployed there were also allegedly assaulted. Additional police forces have now been deployed across sensitive areas of Bhatkal, and authorities are closely monitoring the situation. Police have appealed to the public to maintain peace and avoid spreading rumors. Meanwhile, the district administration imposed prohibitory orders under Section 163 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, formerly Section 144 of the CRPS, within the limits of Bhatkal Town Municipality and Jali Town Panchayat. The orders came into effect at 6 am on May 25th and will remain in force until 6 am on May 27th. Gatherings of 5 or more people, public meetings and processions have been banned, and authorities warned of strict legal action against anyone violating the order or disturbing law and order. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.